question 2. pH of salt. Okay, I'll go over the 3 different types of salts that we could possibly form, since each one would have a different pH. So you could have a neutral salt, and to form this, you would need a strong acid reacting with a strong base. So for neutral salts, their pH is equal to 7. And the main example for a neutral salt would just be the classic sodium chloride, which is just table salt. And we could also have basic salts. This is when a weak acid reacts with a strong base. And these typically have a pH that is greater than 7. And lastly, we could have an acidic salt. So this is when a strong acid reacts with a weak base. And these typically have a pH that is less than 7. Okay, so let's see what the junior tutor said. Salts are formed from the neutralization process. There are 3 types of salts formed depending on the type of acid and base involved. So an acidic salt results from the reaction between a strong acid and a weak base. Basic salt results from the reaction between a weak acid and a strong base. And lastly, a neutral salt results from the reaction between a strong acid and a strong base. pH of the different types of salts are as follows. Acidic salt, pH is less than 7. Basic salt, the pH is greater than 7. And lastly, for the neutral salt, the pH is equal to 7. Yep, so this solution is correct.